I'm in Hall 6, which is Pharma Pro and Pack, and I'm with Gouri Prasad Nanda, who's VP Q&A at Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Gauri,
Hello.
pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking the
Same
time
here.
to meet us. Yeah?
Same here.
all
Same
right.
here.
So let's start off with talking about Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Now, Glenmark is a very well-known name in the pharmaceutical industry in India.
Absolutely.
But just for the benefit of our viewers, talk to us a little bit about what Glenmark does and the market segments that you're involved in.
Absolutely, we are in India and we are a multinational company. We have our manufacturing factories in US also.
Yes.
And in Glenmark deals with mostly oral solid dosage forms and respiratory dosage forms, and the landscape covers many therapies starting from gastrointestinal drug, it's a cardiovascular drug, a respiratory drug. We are doing good in respiratory. We have manufacturing facility for parenteral also in Monroe, and we have pillar facility also. We are having facility in Cyprus. So Glenmark as a whole, we are taking care of mostly we wanted to be an innovative company.
Yes.
In terms of respiratory. We wanted to pioneer some therapies in respiratory.
Yeah.
And we have also oral solid dosage forms, tablets, capsule, mini tablets, many complex generics products with us.
Yeah. Okay.
So
and the role that you have, which is Q&A, is extremely crucial. Of course, everything is crucial in the manufacture of pharmaceuticals, formulations, a number of things, the whole machinery, regulatory compliance, etc.
Yeah.
But within Q&A, I guess the buck stops with you in a lot of ways, right?
Yeah.
So talk to us a little bit about what that involves.
So Glenmark as a whole, if you'll see the growth of the company in terms of the quality and affordability, probably Glenmark stands out to be marvelous.
Yes.
And as far as quality is concerned for the Glenmark, Glenmark really wants to help patient to come out from the disease in real sense. If you'll see our track record now, with the interaction with FDA, US FDA, and all other pharma, pharma regulatory sphere, our interactions have been special with them, has been crucial with them, and as a quality function, I can say that the majority of the focus from Glenmark to the product quality in terms of affordability also, and product compliance and quality also.
Yes.
So what do I mean by that? Glenmark is patient-centric, working with the principle of patient-centric drug and affordability medicine in a very rare form of respiratory portfolio and respiratory therapies.
Right.
That is one area which is we are doing marvelously well. And second, we are now targeting to novel drug delivery systems, also to bring up the patient safety and the affordability to the diseases, rare diseases.
Right. Okay. Now QA, I should say, is crucial, but there are significant challenges that you face pretty much on a daily basis. So what kind of processes and protocols do you put in place to ensure that you're able to confront the challenges that you face?
See, the challenges, whatever would be, only the challenges should be in front of any. We have quality management system to handle all the challenges.
Right.
Let it be product failure, let it be out of specification results or deviations or anything. We have systems and procedures to handle them appropriately and to take care of patient safety, to take care of the quality of the product. So we have been advocating, Glenmark is advocating not on more on commercial aspect. We are focused, our entire decision making focused towards the quality of the product.
Right.
So if you will see the history in last year history interaction with FDA from the Glenmark, you will see the significant change that Glenmark has brought in terms of patient interactions and then patient safety. Okay. Although it is QA, but there are systems and procedures are in place to handle it properly. Okay. So without compromising the quality of the product.
And as far as the opportunities go for Glenmark, what in the next 5 years do you see as the big areas for growth and for innovation within the company?
We are working on various therapies which are rare diseases, as well as we wanted to have our presence in terms of recipe products and biologics. There are some projects in pipeline in various therapies. These are few things which are the key areas. Yeah. But having said that, we wanted to maintain our product quality in a way that we can sustain the business in all regulated markets. So by improving our inner strength to handle the product quality. Right. So that's how Glenmark deals with the product.
And in all of this, does AI and ML play a large part? Is that already become part of your systems?
Yes, it has come to the system now. Yes. So there have been a couple of years back we started adopting all the digitalization in the manufacturing as well as testing processes, and they are taking shape. I know we are in transition period, and there I hope in coming days that will take a matured shape, and they are in integrations. So yes, we have the Glenmark as a company. We are believing now that we have to move from manual mode of operation to digitalization. So in that way, there has been many endeavors and many investment has already been done, and we are in the verge of complying to that as per 21 CFR of US FDA.
Okay. Yeah. So let's pivot now completely to a different area, which are exhibitions. Now you're here at Pharma Pro and Pack. What has brought you here? I mean, I guess yes, we have machinery and all of that, but is it also meeting some of your partners, looking at new machinery, new services, new equipment? What is it?
See, this Pharma Pro and Pack for me is a learning institute.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So how?
Yeah.
See, as I take care of some area is quality assurance. Yes. That is investigations. My interest was to understand what are the innovative techniques now available to make a good product and to test it properly. If you make the product nicely and test it nicely and appropriately, you can meet the quality of the product. Right. And that is how, and there are many avenues this Pharma Pro and Pack which has provided us to understand what are the current trends of innovation in terms of various doses from it. Let us say per se it is OSD or in parenterals, in manufacturing lines, in packings, in digitalization. This is an avenue which is providing opportunity to understand what is the current trend in terms of manufacturing, processing, packing, control and analysis, all the areas. Yes. So I came here for specific 2-3 regions. I found my solution to. I came to reveal some possibilities of advanced analytical techniques like LCMS, Raman spectra, identifying some vendors for SCM, TEM studies, SEM studies, and ICPMS studies, and PXRD studies. All those vendors I could meet, and I could get some contacts. Yes. I could get some leaflets to read. What is the mechanistic action they are dealing with? What are the technologies available for the investigations? Right. So I got this was the purpose of my visit, and I am feeling completely happy that this is a platform which is one also. Nevertheless, it also gives an opportunity to meet with our old colleagues, old people, and our colleagues from the previous friends organization. Well, they're not just colleagues, it's a good for networking. Yes. It's a fantastic platform for networking, right. Not only with the past people, with the future generations also. Yes. There are many future generations and future technologies. Yes. So it's a networking for technology and people. Yeah. So that's how I see.
So in some senses, it's under one roof. You
Everything
get
is
everything
there.
done,
Yeah, it's a
and
good
so in
thing.
like 1 or 2 days, it's like well worth getting
100%.
everything done
100%.
just by you visiting a
100%.
place like this.
100%.
Okay.
I can say that. And going ahead, I was just thinking of how this kind of program can be more useful and accessible
Yes.
to more pharmaceutical industrial peoples across India or abroad. So I discussed few things with few exhibitors here to make a concept-based exhibition.
Okay.
Suppose I have a pan coating.
Yes.
It is already there since decade.
Right.
Even again, if you are bringing pan coater to your exhibition, I will many of us will lose interest to see that.
Right.
But if you can ask that before the exhibition being planned, so if you'll ask various companies what are your challenges, solution based technologies,
Right.
what can be, what are the offers we can offer you, what are the integrations we can do, what are the digitalization we can do for you, what are the solution we have for your problem,
Right.
would would help further
Right.
to this program to add value to the organization.
Okay. Oh, that's super. I think that's some great feedback.
Yeah, the concept wise.
Yes.
So it's not a hall number, it's a concept number. The problem solver hall.
Yes.
It's analytical problem solving. This is
Right.
tablet problem solving. That's a capsule problem solving.
Yes.
This is a lyophilization solving.
Yes, yes.
Like that.
Oh, actually that's an interesting and quite
Yeah.
innovative idea of actually structuring it.
Because suppose I came,
But we'll keep it a secret between you and us, you and me, huh?
Yeah.
Just so that we can implement it before
yeah,
anybody
yeah,
else.
yeah, sure. So when I came in, I was asking in which hall
Yeah.
I can find out some vendors of LCMS or SEMTEM or NMR.
Right.
I asked few counters, they could not answer me.
Oh, okay.
So I had to, I had to go to various counter,
Yes.
and I came to know later on that this is how we can, it was in hall number 3. Somehow I got the information. But if it is a concept, suppose I came for an investigational tools.
Yes.
For investigational tool, these are the options available
Yes.
for.
Right. Right.
So those things will definitely help for any level.
Right.
Let it be at MD level of any company
Yes.
to an operator level.
Right. Right. Yes. Yes.
So this will be this will be a bonus to this all of us.
It makes it efficient as well in terms of
Yeah,
efficient
yes,
use of your time
Yes.
as a visitor to the exhibition.
Because they will find out the solution right away.
Correct.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was really illuminating, especially the last part of,
Thank
the
you.
concept-based.
Concept-based exhibition. Yeah.
Exactly.
Thank you
you very much.
Thank you.
I've been talking to Mr. Gouri Prasad Nanda of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.